Hey, welcome back. I'm Reese. I'm a mindset and abundance coach and founder of Yes Supply. And today I'm going to take you through a meditation to help you tap into your intuition. So a couple of weeks ago on my Instagram, I posted an IGTV where I talked about the 4 types of intuition and some tips on strengthening your intuition. Now, one thing that will block us from being able to fully tap into our intuition is if we have limiting beliefs or things that come up for us that make us feel like it's not safe for us to tap into our intuition. Maybe somewhere we learned along the way that accessing our inner power or intuition is woo-woo. But it's my belief that talking about energy, spirituality, or tapping into intuition isn't actually woo-woo at all. It is who we are. We are spiritual beings. We have souls inside of our body. And if we don't tap into our inner guidance system, our feelings, our emotions, and those nudges that are pulling us to our highest potential, then we're really chopping off an important part of ourselves. What feeds us isn't just physical things, it's also the things that really, really fill us up that are tied to our soul and our spirituality. And for me, using and trusting my intuition has really been an internal guidance system that has helped me create and manifest the life of my dreams. So what I want to do is take you through a really easy meditation that's going to help you trust your intuition, release what's not serving you, and find the guidance that you're looking for to help you create the life that you want and create your yes. So if you love this meditation, let me know below in the comments. And if there's anything else that you would love to meditate with me on, then again, let me know. So let's get started. So the first thing that I always love to do when I meditate is put my hand on my belly. So you can follow along with me. Put your hand on your tummy. Make sure you're sitting in a really comfortable position. Make sure that your legs aren't too bent. It's actually really bad for your circulation. So just make sure that you're comfy, you're loose. If you need to, shake it out a little bit. And put your hand on your belly, and I want you to just take a nice deep breath in and out. And now as you're breathing in with your hand on your tummy, allow your tummy to fully expand in as you're breathing in and out. And now another deep in breath just like that. And as you're breathing in, breathe in abundance, energy, love, good feelings, and breathe out. Now breathe in like that again, breathing in all that positive white light. And on the out breath, let go of any tension, any fear, any anxiety. And breathe in again, breathing in those positive emotions and feelings. And breathing out the feelings that are not serving you right now. And now I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, you can look up towards the center of your eyebrow. And with your eyes closed, as you're looking up, it's going to help you tap into the alpha state. And now, with those eyes looking up but your eyelids closed, I want you to imagine a bright white light at the top of your head. And this white light is going to connect you to all that is. So imagine this light just going up, 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 as high as you can possibly imagine. And it's tapping you into infinite energy, infinite love. And right now, it's going to help you heal any beliefs that it's not safe for you to tap into your intuition. So now imagine this light just coming down and filling up your head, your shoulders, your arms, your torso, your legs, all the way down to your toes. And imagine that light just connecting right down to the center of the earth. And continue that breathing, that nice deep breathing. And now I want you to ask yourself, When did I learn that it wasn't safe for me to fully tap into my intuition? When did I learn that it wasn't safe for me to trust myself? And I want you to allow yourself to go back to that very first memory or first event where you learned that you couldn't tap into your intuition. And as you're there, I want you to look down at that event and see if there's something else that you can take from it. Maybe back then you thought that it wasn't safe to trust yourself or trust your intuition. But now I invite you to look at it differently. Can you realize that maybe it was just a one-time event? Or maybe if someone or something told you that you couldn't tap into your intuition, that it wasn't safe or was too woo-woo or anything like that, you can look at it again and recognize that that was just one scenario or one person's point of view, but that's not the truth. And if you're feeling called to allow your intuition to guide you, then that is happening for a very important reason. So let yourself sit with that for a moment, just revisiting, looking at it differently, and empowering yourself to trust your intuition. Empower yourself to listen to that internal guidance and look at it differently. Maybe now you realize that you are enough, that you can trust yourself, that you are on the right track, and that you're very, very powerful. And that you, just like all of us, have the ability to tap into infinite guidance that you can trust and release anything that makes you feel that you aren't fully connected. Look at it differently and know that you are connected. And now, I want you to open yourself up to the intuition that is there for you. So if you believe that there's a guide, an angel, an energy, an infinite intelligence, whatever it is that you believe in, I want you to ask for that guidance now. And you can say, I'm open and willing to receive guidance. I'm looking forward to the guidance to come to me. I trust myself. I trust my decisions. And I know that I'm being led on the right path. I follow the decisions that feel good to me. And I make decisions from a place of faith instead of fear. I have faith in my path. I have faith that what I want wants me to. And I know that I'm always being led to something greater and greater and greater. And if there's anything else that's coming up for you, anywhere else where you want to ask for support or guidance, feel free to do that now. And now going forward, you can listen to this meditation over and over again. And you will trust when you hear or see or feel or experience that intuition. You'll trust that you are on the right path. And now to end off this meditation, you can give yourself an additional few minutes and ask for that guidance that you need or want to move forward. Thank you so much for meditating with me. And if this helped you, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.